Hi, friends. Nicole Vincent here. Today, I want to share with you about the Facebook monetization program. This is one of the fastest growing ways that you can earn income for your content. So, this is freaking amazing. I just had my first month. I made a whole $27.72. Woo! But any new income stream is always going to start at zero. And so I am thrilled. Like that $27 is so exciting to me because I was doing stuff that I already do on Facebook. I already love Facebook. I use it and it's now paying me for what I love to do. Now I just have to do it more, get strategic about it, and increase my followings. So if you are interested in Facebook monetization, definitely subscribe to my channel because I am going to be sharing my journey with you. I'm going to be updating probably at least a couple times a month with my progress, with what's working, with what's not working. And not that I'm perfect, but information should be free and shared. And so I'm not asking you to buy anything. I would like a subscribe. I'd love a follow on Facebook. My links are in the description. The way that you set this up is you're going to go on your phone. You need to set this up from your phone. After you set it up on your phone, then you can go to you'll have a dashboard on a desktop or a computer if you want to use that. I personally I'm a desktop girl, so I like that aspect. But there's certain things that you have to do on your phone. So you're going to want to open your Facebook app and go to your personal profile. There should be an option there to turn on professional mode. If it's not showing up, just head over to Google or ChatGPT and ask, how do I turn on professional mode on my Facebook? It will tell you. Now, don't be scared. I was a little scared. I turned on professional mode maybe a year ago, and I was a little nervous. I'm like, oh, what does this mean? It doesn't change anything. It really just opens the opportunities. You can still post to friends only if you have private things, like maybe you want to share your kid's birthday. You can still share to friends only. And then you can post to your followers with a public post that goes out to everyone. Now, with this, you need to be making content on Facebook. If you are not one that likes to share on Facebook, maybe you're just a stalker, maybe you just are, someone that just likes to observe, this probably is not going to work for you. You do need to create content and you need to create authentic, true content. It really does not like AI. So I created a couple images like memes through AI and Facebook didn't love it. I made like pennies, like barely anything. But if I post a picture of myself or of my dog or my son or whatever, Facebook likes that. It likes authentic content. I personally am making the most money on pictures that are photos with some kind of, write up with it. A lot of people make money on reels. Even when I make reels, I don't make a ton of money on them, but if you love doing reels, this might be great for you, but you get paid for whatever content you're creating. From text to photos to reels to your stories, you get paid on that. And it depends on how much people are engaging with your content. And so you definitely want to comment, and it gives you so many tips and tricks like in your back office on your phone, how to maximize this and how to really use this program. So once you've got in professional mode, you will need to look for the monetization tab. So you'll go to your professional dashboard and you will look for the monetization tab. Now, this tab, you will need to opt in to monetization. Now, you do not need to have the blue check, the Meta verified. I personally do because I run several businesses with Facebook and I want that extra protection. It's totally worth it to me for the 24 whatever bucks a month it is. But you do not have to have that verified check in order to get monetized. You might have be put on a wait list. And so if that's the case, click put me on the wait list and just keep checking back and you will actually get a notification in the app when you are eligible for that. And I got that. I'm like, oh, what is this? That's kind of weird. And then I think a few weeks later it popped up again and I'm like, okay, sure, why not? And I signed up and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm making money, like 17 cents. Look at this. But it is there. You might have to be on the wait list. And in the meantime, just up your content game. So if you normally post once a week, maybe try posting 3 or 4 times a week. If you post daily, maybe post 2 to 3 times a day. I typically post at least once a day. With this content, I'm trying to post more often. And I'm testing out a variety of different things. What works with my audience? What works for my followers, my friends? What are they responding to? And you can even use and download the data and have ChatGPT analyze it for you and tell you when are the best times for you to post content, what days, what times of the day, what types of content that your audience resonates with, and so that you can really fine tune your content creation that's true to you for this platform. And I highly doubt you'll get rich overnight. This is, for me, it's a long game. And I'm going to be working and building it and growing it. Now, there are some creators out there that are freaking killing it. So one of my favorite ones to follow, and I just like, she is hilarious and she gives so much value. There's a reason that she's making this much money, is Amy Jackson, and I'll put her link here in the description. I'll pop her, you've got her profile right there. But she's making in I heard the last time, and it was a few days before the end of the month, she had made $50,000 in November 2025 in a month. 50K. Are you kidding me? That's just from Facebook. There is money to be made. And she's not the only one making 5 figures a month. Now, she's spent 5 years building this up, guys. So don't expect to make 5 figures a month from this. I'm not expecting that. I would love to get to 4 figures a month within a year. And I think that's a very reasonable goal with this and with how it's growing. But I will be keeping you up. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I will be posting updates of what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what's working, what isn't working. And I would love to share this journey with you. So if you are game, give me a follow and send me a message, like comment below in this video. And I would love to return the favor. And definitely don't just follow me if you're not going to engage. Please engage. Facebook wants people to engage. They don't want just followers and lurkers. They want people engaging on their platform. And so if you see other people's posts, engage, comment. And guess what? If you comment just emojis, it doesn't count as engagement. You have to post actual words. So I've been guilty of just posting emojis as a comment because it's quick, it's easy, and it conveys what I'm trying to express. But I am now adding at least 3 to 5 words in any comment. So definitely add words in your comments and engage, like, give hearts, share, save, send stars. Facebook even has it's almost like a tip jar type system called stars, where you can send those stars. Now, if you're Meta verified, you get your own little amount of stars. If you're not, then you can purchase them, and it's about a penny a star. And I will say, it is cheaper to purchase stars on the desktop or a mobile browser instead of through the app. So if you do want to purchase stars to tip or send to your favorite creator on Facebook, then definitely purchase it through your mobile browser or through your desktop. And you will see that option. You'll see when you go to make a comment, you'll see a little star option. Click on that and it will give you the option to add stars to your account. And that's not required. Like I'm not asking for stars, but it's nice if somebody is giving you value. Like I'm not a star sender, but like Amy Jackson has added so much value. I totally sent her stars because it's like, this is literally like, this is the least I can do, woman. Like, you are seriously adding value to my life. And I want to say thank you. And so that's kind of what the star system is. So lots of ways. Oh, they also have subscriptions. So you can even have like exclusive content where people subscribe to you for as little as 99 cents a month. And you can create and do with that whatever you will. I have not set that up yet. I haven't really seen a need for it yet, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So I'm excited for this journey. I'm excited to catalog it here on YouTube. And I hope you got some value out of this. I hope this was helpful for you. And I look forward to going on this journey with you. So let's go make some money.